Hi, I'm Jason MLW, and these are the top 10 most beautiful train stations across Austria. This video series will start alphabetically, with Austria being the first country. Before seeing the video, please like or subscribe. Austria is of course a country in Central Europe, which the capital city is Vienna, or Wien in German, and its main railway operator is Österreichische Bundesbahnen, or OBB. Its biggest cities are Vienna, Graz, Klagenfurt, Linz, Salzburg and Innsbruck, and its most scenic railway routes of course, are Tavernbahn and Semmeringbahn, but there is also Brennerbahn. On to number 10 is Wien Franz Josef Bahnhof, which is located in Vienna, and it's this building which was actually rebuilt in 1995, as seen in this photo. The original building was built in 1870, and its platforms are built underground, as you can see them in this photo. Number 9 is Klagenfurt Bahnhof, is the main station of Klagenfurt in South Austria, and it's this red building with the many windows. The station features 13 tracks, 3 main platforms, and it was built in 1863. Number 8 is Bad Gastein Bahnhof, which is located in South or Central Austria, and it was built in 1905, and it features 4 tracks, as well as 2 platforms seen in this photo clearly. Number 7, from the other hand, is one of the biggest in this comparison. It's Villach Bahnhof. As you can see, the station is enormous. It features 12 tracks, 4 main platforms, and you can see them in this photo. Number 6 is Kirchdorf under Krems, which is a station situated in central Austria with a standard alpine design, which features 5 tracks, 2 main platforms and some sidings. Number 5 is Linz Bahnhof, and we actually close to the final station. Linz Bahnhof is in North Austria. It was firstly built in 1858, rebuilt in 2004, and it features 8 main platforms, 12 tracks, and numerous sidings. Number 4 is Salzburg Bahnhof, which is a station in western Austria, and I have to say this is a station that could be easily in the 3rd place, as seen here after being rebuilt. Of course, it was rebuilt in 2014, firstly built in 1860, and it has nice roofs. 10 tracks of course, 5 main platforms. Number 3 is Graz Bahnhof in southeast Austria, with nice interior and nice crystalline roofs. Pretty artistic. This station was built in 1847. It has 13 tracks and 5 main platforms. On to number 2, which is St. Pölten Bahnhof, or Sankt Pölten, maybe. This station is a bit older. It has kept the old design, and it was firstly opened in 1858 with 12 tracks, 5 main platforms and numerous siding. It was finished in 2010. Now onto the honorable mentions. There are 2 stations that I want to talk about. The first one is Dornbirn Bahnhof, or Dornbirn, this red building, and Bahnhof Bludenz is the next one. There it is. Bahnhof Bludenz is one of the stations that could actually be in the number 10. But after all these things and stations, it's time for number 1. Number 1 is obviously what you've expected for. It's the Wien Hauptbahnhof in Vienna, which is characterized from its unique design of its entrance here, and of course it has crystalline roofs as some other stations in Austria. It's a new station that was finished rebuilding in 2015. Of course, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I want to make any suggestions and write them in the comment section below, and of course vote. Don't lose my next episode, which has to do with top 10 most beautiful train stations in Belarus.